So today's market was absolutely garbage. So again, I'm telling you, the market was absolutely nasty, garbage, whatever you can just name it, just name that. But if you're really smart in the market, you will find a way to make or to print money in the market, even if it's red or green, the market. But you have to find a way in order to print the money in the market. And how can you do that? Of course, by educating yourself. I'm not telling you to just come and get educated here, but only I'm telling you choose the right stock. First of all, we'll see what's happening in the market. Let's go to SPY. Now, what does SPY shows on the daily chart? Very simple, very clear. This is showing strength. So look at this, absolutely gorgeous. This is strength. So consistency. What we are seeing here is consistency. Even if it like pulls back, of course, it can pull back to 614 points, which I'm just gonna draw here. So this is where it's gonna pull back if it pulls back. But I'm not seeing anything soon that if it's gonna pull back or not. What I'm seeing here to make it 650 points, then we'll see forward where the market is heading. But now, this week we ended up in a very bad way. But again, only the earning stocks, they acted honestly very, very good. And I'm very enough with that. Why? Enough in a positive way. But again, guys, you got to know how to pull out a stock in a stock market in order to trade every single day. So I know if the market is slow, I know you don't trade. If the market is bad, I know you don't trade. You don't invest. Maybe probably you're investing for the long term and see how it's really going. But based on all this, one thing I can tell you for sure, if you select a stock very good and clear, you will grow your portfolio whatsoever. So let me change it. Hold on. So, okay. So now this is my group right here, Infinite World Markets Academy. So let's say a firm, AFRM, buy at $94.33, sell at $98.11. So what numbers we got here? $94.33 buying and selling at $98.11. But very next second, I give the second selling point right here, $99.83. So basically, you're buying at $94.33 and selling at $99.83. The numbers, what you're seeing right here, which I'm just highlighting out in the blue right there, you can see 99.83. This was a selling point, and stop loss was 93.80. And now we go to profit and loss section. Look at this, crazy. People printed $46,000, and one member says, "Congratulations, everyone! That is crazy. It happened so fast. I was driving last night, catching up now." I had a profit on CRWD calling, using the calls for $2,810, a great profit. And now what he says, that is amazing. Boss said sell at a firm if ARM 99.83 and topped out $100. Amazing call. Anyways, let's go back here. The guy named Jacob made $13,000. Fred made $8,600. $48,000. $15,000. So $94,000. Guys, you can come and print money. The link is down in the description. Join the Discord and you'll see there how to just trade and all. We have here tough market, earnings, small cap, and 200K. We have tradings right here. Look at this. MDB yesterday, CRWD, CrowdStrike. All these trades we give you every single day. Look at this. Some says I missed it. It was so fast, literally blinked and shot it up. Okay, I got it. But again, Don't miss the trades. Even if the market was nasty, we found a trade right here. If you go back to the history, see here. I'm just scrolling up for you to see. The trades are getting posted consistently. So choose your time wisely, invest in your portfolio and grow your portfolio. What we want from you, not to make any kind of mistakes. And first of all, stop going to the garbage discords. First, do this. Stop wasting your time listening here, listening there, and just getting messed up around, right? Don't do that. The link is down in the description, and I can guarantee you, you will be satisfied with the results. Of course, depending on your accounts. If your account is small, you'll have small profits. If your account is medium, large, you'll have medium, large profits. But if your account is large, you'll have large profits. But depending what kind of portfolio you're really holding. But again, guys, let's be honest. Don't waste time in your life. First of all, if you're trying to become rich or wealthy in the stock market, move wisely. Think very smartly. Don't invest in some garbage stocks. This video is only for educational purpose, to get educated good and to have the right information. So here, when you come to the group right here, what do you have here? Example, PLTR, short at 185, sell covered at 184.44. This is just an example. This is on 13 August, okay? So now here, when you get these kind of calls, you only have to copy and paste my trades in your brokerage account and just do the trade will just work out, and that's all. And come to the trading profit and loss section and you just post the trades here, your profits, your whatever. But mostly 95, not 99%, everyone, they have profit and profit and profit. Like yesterday was Gary made 1,300, Jacob made 6,500 and 18,000. So this was the trade of snow. Vani made $350, $6,400, $610, $3,194 calls on snow. So this is absolutely crazy. So everyone is telling totally awesome trade. So the link is down in the description. Come trade and join and see how it goes. Don't waste your time. They are limited seats. Believe me, you're gonna love it. This will be the best decision in your life you ever made. So stop wasting your time, guys. Stop wasting here and there, and stop wasting your time behind the scammers, behind this all crazy, stupid groups. Go to the right one, find the trade. We give you trade every single day, consistently we give you, and you can make profit every single day, depending on how the market is. So the link is down again in the description. You can come join and trade with us. Don't waste your time. Book your seat, come and see how things will go, and you will gonna love it. So let's get back to the charts right here. SPY, what I'm seeing here, 650 points. Of course, that will shot up to 650, and after that, kind of we are a little bit doubtful that this market might come down, like a mini pullback right here. We might have after 650 a mini pullback down to this area 641 or even to 632, but that's totally fine. But that's how it is. If you see on the long term, honestly, this is absolutely fine. But what happened to Nvidia, right? Let's talk about Nvidia here. Look at Nvidia, absolutely on a consolidation. Of course, the earnings were good. You know, now the market is expecting from Nvidia something really big, because this company gave so much expectation in the market. Now everyone is just expecting some big numbers. Even a slight miss, they are just trashing the stock out. Personally, me, I'm not going to invest in Nvidia, honestly. I am not interested in Nvidia. It might be a very good company. It is a good company. It is the world's largest, whatever you want to call, biggest, largest, I don't know, whatever. I am not interested. I'm only interested if my portfolio is growing. I'm only interested if my profit is getting generated from the market every single day. Personally, I have no attachment, no love for any company in this world. Personally, I have only attachment and love for my portfolio, and that's what I do. That's what I focus. I don't care even a single bit about any company in this world. What I care about, the moves in the stock market, and with that flow, we move and we generate profit, because when you make profit, your life will be better. That when the company does better, of course, you don't make profit automatically. You have to choose your trades. So choose wisely. The link is down in the description. Choose very, very wisely. Now, Nvidia on this point, right? Now, I want to talk about Palantir. Is the same on consolidation. I'm not going to have no comments on Palantir. Nothing. So this is right now at a dead point, making it like a consolidation, boring consolidation. So I'm not going to take any trades in this. I'm not going to invest anything right now on this. So right now, I'm not going to invest in long-term in any long-term in the stock market. But if you're holding, if you want to hold for a long term, yes, you can go for Nvidia or Palantir. That might be good. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. Now, guys, don't waste your time. Come see how we trade, and you're going to love it. Stop wasting your time. Totally. Time is so precious. When 1 second passes, it'll never, ever come back. And if you're losing money a lot, first of all, choose the right stock. Learn how to choose the right stock. Get educated. Doesn't matter here, from there, from books. It doesn't matter. Just learn the right way. So thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm trying to provide you so much information, and also telling crystal clear what's happening in the market, not bullshitting you around and not telling you some kind of crap. It's only very clear. Don't buy anything right now because it's not the right time. We might pull back after 650 points on S&P 500, and so be careful. The market might, when the market pulls back, even Palantir and even Nvidia, they might pull back 5 to 10%. They might pull back. So be very careful how you're going to invest in the market. But if you don't know, you can come the group. The link is down in the description, and you will see how you'll be guided, and probably you will gonna love it. And once you come, you'll never go back because of the results everyone is making. Thank you so much. Probably see you in the next video, guys. Stay safe in the market. Do not gamble. Remember, please don't gamble in the stock market. Learn and invest and become rich. Bye-bye. See you next time.